So before we proceed to our review lesson, let us have first an activity entitled Guess What? 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 So you have to guess what the statement describes, and the choices are seen above. So are you ready? Let's go. A polygon with 3 edges and 3 vertices. So what does it describe? A side, a vertex, angle, congruent, or triangle? So a polygon with 3 edges and 3 vertices describes a triangle. So a triangle has 3 vertices and 3 edges. So these are examples of triangle. They have different sizes, but they have 3 edges and 3 vertices. So how do we name a triangle? We have here an example of triangle, and we can name this triangle in 6 different ways. So the name of that triangle depends on the letters found in its vertices. So here we have A, B, B, and C. So we can name it in 6 ways, but they are still the same, meaning you can use either of the 6 names. So we have triangle BCA, we have triangle VCA. We can call this as triangle VCA. So if you have noticed, we have here a little triangle beside the 3 letters. So this triangle signifies that the name described by the letter is a triangle, or the polygon described by the letters is a triangle. So we can also call this triangle as triangle ABC, or triangle CAB, or triangle BAC, or triangle ACB, or triangle CBA. So again, you can use either of these 6 names. So pwede ka lang kapili kung ano yung mo gamiton nga names ng triangle. So we have here another example of a triangle. So we can name this triangle as triangle ATM, triangle TMA, or triangle MAT. So what are the other 3 names? Let's see if you have learned something. Try to guess what are the other 3 names and write it in your notebook. Okay, so we can also call this triangle as triangle AMT, or triangle TM, or triangle MTA. Okay, number 2. So a corner or a point where lines meet. So what does it describe? So it describes a vertex. A vertex is a corner or a point where lines meet. So we have here an example of triangle BTS. Triangle B, T, and S. So in every triangle, whatever triangle it is, may it be right triangle, or obtuse, or acute, or any triangle, we have 3 vertices. And what are those? We have vertex B here in this triangle, vertex T, and vertex S. So those are the 3 vertices of triangle BTS. Okay, number 3. Line segment that joins 2 vertices in a shape or 2-dimensional figure. What does it describe? A line segment. So the answer is a side. A side is a line segment that joins 2 vertices in a shape or 2-dimensional figure. So again, we have here the example of the triangle BTS. So in every triangle, there are 3 sides as well. So what are those? We have side BT or side TB. You have side BT Or we can also call this one as side TB. It's either of the two. They are still the same. So that is the one side. The other side is, we can also call this as side. We have also side TS. Or we can also call that one as side ST. And the other side is, can you guess it? Yes, we can have side SB, or we can also call it as side BS. So that are the three sides of the triangle. As you can observe, we have a line here on the top of the two letters. It signifies the side. Okay, number 4. The figure formed by two rays meeting at a common endpoint. So this statement describes an angle. Okay, so again, we have here an example of a triangle BTS. So we have, in every triangle, we have three angles. So kagaina, we have three sides, three vertices, as well as three angles. So in writing the angles, we can either use three letters or one letter only. So example number 1, the angle BTS, or we can also call this one as angle T. So as you can observe, the middle letter, which is the T, can also be used in writing the angle, other way of writing the angle. Number 2 example, we have angle TSP or angle S. And number 3, you can guess it. Yes, we have angle TBS, or we can also write it down as angle B. As you can notice, we have here the symbol. So that is the symbol for angle. So in writing angle, you should write that one to signify that what you are describing is an angle. So we can simply say that angle T, angle S, or angle B. Or you can also use three letters if you want. Depende sa imo kung ano yung gamiton. So in triangle, even without looking in a triangle, example in triangle BTS, you can say that the angles are angle B, angle T, and angle S. So that are the three angles. Okay, number 5. So the shape that has the same size, area, angles, line, and length. So we have no choice. We are done with side, vertex, angle, and triangle. This describes congruent. So congruent means the shape has the same size, pareho sila size, area, angles, line, and length. So this is the symbol for congruent. So you should remember this one. Kay makita ta na sa permi sa mga lessons ta. So that is the sign for congruent. So here we have two triangles. Examples of triangles, triangle DOJ, or depende kung paano mo sa ngalanan. Again, we have 6 different ways on how to name it. And triangle ATM. So here it is concluded that triangle ATM is congruent to triangle DOJ. So how do we know that the two triangles are congruent? That is our lesson for today. Congruent triangles. Okay, so two triangles are congruent if their vertices can be paired so that corresponding sides are congruent and corresponding angles are congruent. So ang duwa ka triangle congruent kung ang ila corresponding sides or ang ila nga sides congruent man and ang ila corresponding angles congruent man. So later on, mas maintindihan nyo na sa mga examples. Okay, so we have here two examples of triangle. We have triangle EXO, and And we have triangle SMA. So here, we can conclude that EXO is congruent to triangle SMA. So, paano ka na nag-conclude nga congruent sila nga duwa? So, we have here, kung ma-observe ta sa duwa ka triangle, ano yung makita? Ang mga angles kag ang side may kurit, or that is what we call the marks. So, in angle, here, in angle E may pila ka mark sa isa ka mark, di ba? And si angle X may duwa ka mark, si angle O may tatlo ka marks. And same sa side, si side XO may isa ka mark, may isa ka kurit here. And then si side OE may duwa ka kurit. And si side EX may tatlo ka kurit. And same sa other triangle SMA. Si angle S may isa ka kurit, si angle M 2 marks, angle A 3 marks. And when it comes to side, si side MA may isa ka mark, side AS 2 marks, and side SM 3 marks. So what does the mark signifies? So ang meaning sa mga mark is that the two angles are congruent, meaning duwa ka triangle, ang angle sa piyak nga triangle and the angle sa piyak nga triangle, they are congruent kung same number of marks ang may ara sila. So sa dire, kung makita mo da si angle E kag si angle S, same nga may isa-isa ka mark. Ari si angle E may isa ka mark, si angle S may isa man ka mark. And same man sa iban, si angle X may duwa ka marks, si angle M sa piyak may ara duwa ka marks. And same sa mga side, si side XO may isa ka mark, si side MA may isa ka mark. Okay. So, ang corresponding angles, they are congruent sa diri nga triangle. So, example, we have angle E. So, si angle E may ara, isa ka mark, and si angle S may isa man ka mark. So, these two angles are congruent. Naintindihan nga nag-congruent sila, kay isa-isa lang ang ilang mark. So, ang marka, meaning congruent or equal ang ilang measure. Example, si angle AB, 70 degrees atong ginagamit when it comes to measuring angles. So, si angle S, 70 degrees man, kay congruent sila or equal sila nga duwa. Number 2. So, what do you think is number 2? So, si angle X, congruent man kay angle M. Kay nga aman, pareho sila nga mark. Duwa ang ilang nga marks. And number 3, okay, so si angle O is congruent to angle A. Kay same ang ilang mark nga duwa. Tag-tatlo sila. So those are the 3 congruent corresponding angles of triangle EXO kag triangle SMA. Okay, so let's go to corresponding sides. So sa corresponding sides, there are 2 ways in writing it. So we have side XO. So we have side XO here. Ari si side XO. Congruent na sa kay side MA. Kay nga aman, tanawang ilamarka nga duwa. Isa. Meaning congruent sila nga duwa. Or we can also say nga side OX, gisuli mo lang si XO naghimo OX, same man na sila gyapon. And MA or AM, so depende sa imo pag-write, same lang na sila, equal man na sila gyapon nga duwa. So again, ang mark ga signifies ang congruent. So kung si side XO, ari si XO, ang iya measure B is 4 cm, meaning si side MA sa piyak DO, 4 cm man. Kung 5 cm sa XO, si MA 5 cm man. Kay congruent sila nga duwa. Meaning, equal ang ila length or same ang ila length. Okay, number 2. So, we have side OE and side AS. Side OE is congruent to side AS, or we can also say side EO is congruent to side SA. Nga agani, or gisuli mo lang ang duwa. Si OA gisuli mo lang, naghimo EO, kag si AS naghimo SA. Same lang na sila gyapon. So again, congruent sila nga duwa kay nga aman. If you can observe si OE, may duwa ka marks. Si AS, may duwa man ka mark, meaning congruent sila. Next, last but not the least, we have side EX congruent to side SM. So, duwa sila nga side, may tatlo ka marks, meaning congruent sila. Or we can also say that side EXE is congruent to side MS. So, by knowing that the corresponding angles are congruent and the corresponding sides are congruent, so we can conclude nag-conclude ka nga si EXO congruent kay SMA. So, amo na ang way nga mabalat nga congruent ang duwa ka triangle. So, di ba hapus lang sa kung may mga mark na. So, hindi na kinanglan magbutang pa sang measure. Ang mark na lang ang aton basihan. Pero sa other cases, ginabutangan gina sa measure and then ikaw ang mabutang sang mark. Kung same ang ilang measure nga 70-70 ang duwa ka angle sa triangles, sa duwa ka triangles, so ikaw mabutang sang mark kung pila ka bilog, kung isa, kung duwa, kung tatlo, depende sa imo. Basta ang imo lang tandaan nga kung congruent sila or equal sila nga duwa, same ang number of marks nila. Okay, for your evaluation, so analyze and answer the printed activity given to you. So, yesterday and today sa mga nakuha modules, may nakuha ka mga activity da. And sa activity na butang na da nga for your reference, a video lesson will be posted. So, ang amo na siyang activity, answeran nyo na sa by reviewing sang aton nga gi-lesson ang take up subong para makabalo ka mong mag-answer. Okay, thank you and keep safe and God bless everyone. Bye-bye.